Today we have an unboxing of the new WRM 2020 edition, so let's get into it. The box is pretty big, actually. It has a really nice blue, shiny design on it. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, here it is, the WRM 2020. There's the world record. Yeah. So, we have our accessories box here, which is, there's quite a bit. We've got our tensioning tools, spare core, screwdriver, well, there's the tensioning tool, and then there's some alternate screws as well and springs, which is nice. But other than that, let's focus on the cube, which comes in this handy dandy box. Okay. The cube feels remarkably light. Very, very light. So here's the original WRM. As you can notice already, the 2020 edition has matte plastic, unlike the original WRM. And also the center caps are different. There's not those little things. Yeah, it's also, this one's definitely heavier. Anyways, enough talk. Let's get into some first turns. Huh. It's so hard to control. It's super fast. It's super dry right now. It actually feels a lot like the RS3 2020 out of the box. Sort of like that smooth, swishy, papery smooth feel. Very papery. But that's kind of because it's super dry. You've got the primary internals. It feels and looks a lot like the RS3. Magnet strength is not too strong. Out of a Moyu flagship, I really would have hoped it to be stronger. So I'm going to probably end up strengthening the magnets here. But yeah, it feels really nice and stable. It's a little tight out of the box, but so far it's pretty good. I'm not blown away, but it's good. Let's see how fast it is. Oh, you can easily turn 3 times around. That's way too fast, and it's super dry. But yeah, look, the corner cutting is good, very good actually, phenomenal. Reverse, reverse is good too, standard, but regular is very nice. It's very snappy, feels good. But yeah, I think that with some setting up with some lube, a little heavier lube, it could slow this down a bit and it'll have a much smoother feel. But, I'm going to make a video comparing this to the original WRM and also the RS3M, because they're all kind of pretty similar cubes. Also, I know I mentioned this earlier when talking about our little accessories box, but it is important to note that it also does have that dual adjustment system that's featured in the WRM and the RS3M. So it's no different than that. It's a great system. So it's good to see that they included the same system on this one as well. Off of first impressions, it's a good cube. It's great, but it feels awfully similar to the RS3. It feels a little bit more premium, a little bit more stable, but I don't know. I'm going to have to set it up and do further comparison, and stay tuned for that video. But yeah, that's just my first impressions. Overall, it's still a great cube, and I'm going to solve on it a lot more. But yeah, Stay tuned for some more videos in the future. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you have a great day.